In today's video, you're about to discover how to become the boss of your life. And by the way, check out the ocean that I'm seeing right now, right in front of me.
Oh, thanks for this awesome idea.
Oh yeah, I forgot.
I'm a man on a mission. I'm a man on a mission. I don't need no permission. I'm a man.
Wow, I learned quite a lot. What I could understand, I learned, and I could see the difference.
Hey, this is Bishal Sarkar, your practical public speaking mentor. In this video, I'm going to give you 4 tips that you can use right now in your life to become the boss of your life. Now, I'm not talking about being a boss of a company. That might or might not be your current reality. But you know what? Your life is like a business and you are the fucking CEO, you are the boss. And how you act like a boss depends on these 4 things. The B stands for belief. See, the thing is, you can be the highest paid professional in your country, but if you don't have belief about your own self, you're not the boss. So you gotta have the right belief about yourself. So the question I have for you is, do you believe in yourself? Do you believe in your dreams? Do you believe in your vision? Do you believe in your purpose? Do you believe in your mission? You gotta believe in the inner voice that you have. And the O stands for opinion. You have to stop caring about other people's opinions. You know, so often I see people who at the age of 40, 45 tell me, I wanted to be a musician, or I wanted to be an artist, I wanted to be a speaker, I wanted to be a writer. I say, what do you do now? Well, I'm a CA, or I'm an engineer, or whatever the thing is. It's not about the profession, it's just the fact that they are not doing what they wanted to do all their life, okay? So you gotta stop believing in other people's opinions and stop being seduced and hypnotized by the programming that the society trains you with by telling you that you have to be a slave. You don't have to, okay? You can live the life that you want when you fuck other people's opinion and value your own opinion about yourself. The S stands for, remember, so we spoke about belief, okay? We spoke about opinion, and the S stands for slap your fears. Slap it, baby. Like, damn, slap your fears. You have a lot of fear. We have a lot of fear. I have a lot of fear. Everybody has fear. Fear of other people's opinion, fear of judgment, fear of failure, fear of the unknown, fear of making mistakes, fear of looking stupid, fear of failing in a business, fear of talking to that woman and not getting a response. You gotta slap those fears. How? You take action. So make a list of the things that you wanna do but you are afraid of, and this year tackle them. Maybe get a mentor, hang out with people who inspire you. And that's how you can change. This is one of the things we do at the Confident Speaker Conference and the Balanced Life Mastermind. I provide you with a community, a tribe, a family that can kick your ass to make you the best person that you can be. And the 4th S, so B.O.S. and S stands for serve. You gotta serve the humanity. One of my mentors, Darren LaCroix, told many years ago to me, he said, Vishal, the more you serve, the more you deserve. I said, wow, that's a good line. And he said, yeah, if you want to deserve more, deserve better lifestyle, deserve more money, deserve a promotion, deserve better respect, you got to serve the people around you. Service. I'm not talking about you leaving your job and then going to I'm a spiritual guru serving. You don't have to do that. You can serve by going to a local school and teaching. You can serve by creating some tutorial videos and helping people. Like I'm doing right, I'm serving you. Do you realize that? And because of that, because a lot of hundreds of and thousands of people who watch the video, a lot of people will open doors for me, whether it's saying, hey, CEO, watch this video of Bishal Sarkar, and then that CEO comes to me for one-on-one coaching and I get paid 95 lakhs rupees for a 3 months coaching agreement. Why? Because in the first place, my intention is not to get, it's to serve. So these are the 4 tips. You gotta believe in yourself, stop caring about other people's opinions, slap your fears, and serve the humanity. Once you do that, I can tell you that your income is gonna go up, your impact is gonna go up, your impression is gonna go up, your influence is gonna go up, and your inner life, all 5 eyes, our inner life is gonna be amazing. You're gonna feel more powerful and happy. And those nights with your partner, it's gonna be much more fun-filled because you are the boss and that person is the boss. I have a boss in my life, do you? And when I say boss, I mean it's inspiring other people to believe in themselves, to not care about other people's opinions, to slap their fears, and so that they can serve the humanity. I encourage you not to just be the boss, but to inspire your spouse to be the boss. I love you. Take care of yourself. Bishal Sarkar here, always reminding you that confidence is not about perfection. It's all about connection.